Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to solve a problem in Chapter 7, Fluid Flow in Pipes, from the book Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics, 4th edition by 𝙿𝚾𝚂𝙰𝙰𝙀. So, here's the problem. Two pipes, 400 meters long, are connected in series. The flow of water through the pipes is 150 liters per second, with a total frictional loss of 15 meters. If one pipe has a diameter of 0.4 meters, what is the diameter of the other pipe? Neglect minor losses and assume F is equal to 0.01 for both pipes. Since it is a pipe connected in series, the volume flow rate of two pipes is equals to 0.15 cubic meter per second. When converted from liter per second, and the equation is given by the total head loss is equals to the sum of the individual head losses. Next, we need to find the frictional loss in each pipe. We can use the Darcy-Weisbach formula, where F is the frictional factor given as 0.01, L is the length of the pipe, Q is the flow rate, and D is the diameter. Now, plug in the values, and we get a diameter of 0.220 meters for the second pipe. This is for today's problem. We hope you learned something from us and kindly see our next videos for more information. Thank you.